Hello everyone, in this video, how to enable text wrapping in Google Docs. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Docs document, then click Insert tab, Image, Upload from Computer, search the web, drive, photos, camera by URL as you wish. Example, insert it, upload from computer, then select on your image, then again click on the image, see this wrap text, click here and resize, hold shift, see this result, see this wrapping text. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.